Hi friends, we can create professional websites in no time using WordPress. In this video, we are going to create a perfect website for conference and events. So if you are targeting any such website, watch this video until end. And the theme that we are going to use and overview is named as in Evenio, and it is a dedicated theme for conference and events. It brings multiple pre-made websites, so we can target a business conference website, digital meetup, music fest, and the freelance meetup, multi-events again. So 6 layouts we can have this with this theme, and the page builder that has been used is Elementor and all these features. So I'm going to add all the relevant links that you can explore. But yes, in this video, we are going to create a demo website using this theme to understand all the functionality installation process of this theme, Evenio. And after watching this complete video, you would be able to create a website, event website, conferencing website at your own, and you don't need any technical skill for doing all this. So I have this fresh installation of WordPress, and I am using this cPanel based hosting plan. If you need hosting, you can simply follow the description links. And before we start, please subscribe this channel if you are coming to this channel at very first time. You have hundreds of themes and other resources to compare on this channel, and particularly for event and conference website, there are many themes. I'm going to present this video. I'm happy to record this video because this is another great theme that I found for event website. And I must tell you, you have to buy the theme at Envato Market, that is on themeforest.net, through the video description link. And amazingly, the theme is available just for $39 and maybe for limited period. Okay, so the theme is regularly being updated, and it has been developed by RA's theme. And in the theme pack, you are going to get all these stuffs, including this installable theme file, the child theme, the documentation, demo parts, and some plugins are also included here. Okay, so we are going to use this installable theme file. It is showing around 24 MB inside. So what I'll do, I'll go directly to the file manager to upload the theme. It will save some time, and since it is more than 15 MB in size, so I'm going to upload it directly in the themes directory under WP content. So you can also do the same since we are having all the access at hosting plan. So simply upload the theme pack that I shown you, select the file, and mainly the file that we need to upload is evenio.zip. Don't try to upload the complete folder. It is going to be a mistake. So complete this, and we can simply extract the uploaded file. And upon extraction, we have this Evenio folder in which we got all the components, all the elements of the theme. Simply delete this zip one. It will save some hosting space. Coming back to the installation of WordPress, and in the appearance section, further in themes, we have Evenio as another theme option, and we can check the details. I am using version 2.0.9. When you will order the theme, might be on later dates, you shall be getting an updated version from the Envato Market, that is on themeforest.net, depending upon the availability. Let us activate the theme. Upon activation, we have to activate the license first of all, and after placing the license key that you will get at the themeforest.net with the theme pack, of course, we are here and we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete functionality of this theme. So let us begin installing these plugins, and I can see 11 plugins are listed here, and all are almost required. So we need to install all these plugins. Only one is recommended. So I can see WooCommerce is here just in case if we need e-commerce activity, I mean selling some tickets or similar activities. WooCommerce is here. Title Revolution for hero images. Redux is the framework that has been used. It is a very technically sound framework. With the Elementor, it works very fine. So Contact Form 7 as usual, Breadcrumb, and one-click demo import, RS framework is again here. So all great plugins that we can see on this screen, and I am choosing all 11. And we'll try to install all these plugins in a single attempt. If it works, it will install all 11 plugins, and somehow if it does not work, so we can try installing plugins one by one by following the install links one by one. So I can see the installing and activation is going side by side. So it is going to take time, of course. And if you feel you are stuck at this screen, so simply go back and click install again and again by selecting all. So it will install one by one plugins, and it will also activate the installed plugins simultaneously. So it is very simple process of installing all the necessary and required and recommended plugins, and we can simply complete this process of plugin installation by simply clicking on the install links. And I have successfully installed all the plugins, and I am here at this screen to complete the WooCommerce installation. It is very simple again, and we can follow the on-screen instructions and complete the WooCommerce installation as well. On the next screen, I have more plugins, and we can continue with this. So it is turning on the light, and now the WooCommerce is also installed. Okay. Coming back to the dashboard. Okay, still one plugin is here. So I am going to install this one remaining plugin. And again, it is going to be simple for me and you as well. So it is a good idea to install plugins one by one to avoid any error during the plugin installation process. And we have successfully installed. All plugins have been installed and activated successfully. This is the message. And we can simply go back to the dashboard. Okay, so Redux is here, action needed to continue using the template library. Okay, so we don't need X25 for the time being. I'm crossing this, and we are fine here. And I can see there are several new links that we can follow. And first of all, I'll complete the installation with the demo. So meanwhile, we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and all set of plugins. And it is without any content. Okay, so this is the basic look. And to proceed further, we have to import the demo content first of all. And I'll find the option under appearance. I can see import demo data. And this is the screen where we can select to import caution. For importing demo data, please click on import demo data button. During import demo data installation, please do not refresh the page. Okay, so we are not going to refresh this page. Simply click on import demo data, and on the next screen we have more plugins. Simply click on continue and import. Now the demo content import process is begin, and it is going to take time, and as it was written, we cannot refresh the page, where we cannot hit the back button. But what we can do, we can open media library in another tab just to check whether we are getting images. If images are being downloaded or visible here, so you can simply assume that the demo import process is going fine. Just refresh once. It should be increasing. Yes, it is increasing. So just wait and watch. The import process is going fine, and it will give us a cool message, I believe. And we cannot hit the back button. But yes, what we can do, again, we can explore the website that we are expecting here. So this is the target website, and it is available in multi-page and one page. Again, it is a good idea to have a single page website if you have limited content. So like if you are targeting a digital meetup one page website, you can simply achieve this website using this plugin, and it is really very cool, and design is really effective and attractive. So it contains all the sets of elements that you actually need for event and conferencing website. So all the elements are fine-tuned, and even pricing options are here. As I said, if you need to sell tickets or event space or passes, so you can use the WooCommerce activities along with the payment gateway and also things. So it is going to be a complete website in every aspect, and we can complete the site in just few hours if you have ready content. And yes, so I must tell you one thing: if you wish to have any support regarding the content or designing part or the image creation, installation, technical help, so whatever it may be, you can write in the comment section of this video. And the good idea to buy the theme through the video description link just for $39 at themeforest.net. And once you buy the theme through the link, you can join the iCreate program for free. So it is a free pass for you. You can join the iCreate program, you can onboard on the program, and you can connect with a mentor to complete your website. WordPress mentors are here to help you to complete your website technically, and even UI UX will be taken care. So everything is here for you, and you just need to buy the theme and start creating your website, and it is going to be a very perfect website for event and conferencing. As I said, you can target one page or multi-page website, and demos are available here, so you can explore all the demos that suits your need better. You can choose any of these demo websites, and you can create wonderful websites for event and conferencing using this Evenio WordPress theme. Let us see what is the progress of our demo import, and it is still working, and I can refresh this page just to check how many images are here. Okay, so great, 91 media items, so it is great. All the media items has been included, and I can see the vector images are also here that we can view directly at our website. It is good, and still we have to wait. Okay, great. So it took around 8 to 10 minutes for me while I'm using an optimized hosting plan. So you can also have an optimized hosting plan at a very nominal price at WP Themes website. The link has been given in the description. So it took around 8 to 10 minutes in reading this message, and it is really cool. It simply says, congrats, your demo was imported successfully. You can now begin editing your site. And before we can check our new website, I'll show you how many media items, why it took around 8 or 10 minutes for me, and same maybe for you. 386 media items. So the number of images that has been included in the demo content is 386. This is why it took additional time. So it generally takes 5 to 6 minutes in importing the demo content in a normal installation, but it varies from the theme to theme, and the installation to installation, the environment that is being used, and all such things. Okay, great. So no worries. And finally, we have received this cool message, green mark, and we can visit our new website. And it is yes. So yes, it is great. And we have received all the contents with all the images, elements, and we got this complete website. And every item is well managed here, same as we seen in the actual demo. Now we have at our installation, so installation remain very smooth and cool. So now I can simply conclude you can go with this theme, because every part of this theme, including the installation and the demo, is working fine without any doubt. So why it is important to watch all those videos for selecting any theme or particular WordPress resources on this channel? Because without buying those elements, those theme or plugins, you cannot understand what is laying inside the theme. But I am showing before you are going to buy what is actually available with the theme pack or in the plugin. So it is a very good thing that you understand what you are going to buy and where you are going to spend and what features you are targeting or you can have. So all these can be seen on this channel itself, and I believe you have already subscribed this channel and watching the videos coming on this channel regularly. And now this is the time when I can show you the backend of this installation that we created in this video with the demo content, all home pages, the internal pages. I can show you randomly, so the speed is also fine. This is the speakers pages, scheduled like event and all such schedules, schedule light option. Okay, so all great layouts, all the great options for event and conferencing websites is available with the installation and with the theme in Evenio. Okay, now I'm going to show you the backend. So I can see some new navigation, some new elements, links available here. It is coming from the developer itself. I mean, this is not coming from additional plugin. This is part of theme. First of all, I'll show you the theme options. Evenio option, sorry. So in the general section, what we can do, we can here we can update most of the basic things like enable global settings and the logo and all such basic things. Header can be controlled from the header part, header layout, toolbar area. Header layout can be selected. So 4 header options are here, and depending upon the choice of theme or layout you are using. The toolbar area can be controlled with the colors and all such basic things. Preloaded style is here, and the styling options gives us all the freedom to control our website color, primary, secondary, third, link colors, link hover color, and all color aspects can be fulfilled here. Main menu, sticky menu, breadcrumb style, button style, off canvas style. So all is under our control. Further, typography can be changed throughout the website. Blog sections, portfolio sections, and event sections can be handled. Speaker section, social icon. Again, mouse pointers, scroll bar, WooCommerce, the newsletter style, the footer options, 404, and import export. All great settings are here, and we can use and explore all these settings as per our requirement, and it can be helpful in customizing our upcoming website. Okay, wonderful. So now in the speaker part, you have to upload all the speakers and their images. I'll show you one just for reference purpose. So you can either edit all these elements, or you can delete all these elements and start uploading your own. It is totally your choice how you want to proceed. But yes, you can use the custom sticky logo, header style, the featured image, and all such things. So just remember and remove all those things, all those demo data that you are not going to use. Either you have to update all this data, or you have to delete. So simply portfolio again, and the testimonials, events, and comments, and RS elements. So it is all for you. Further, I can see the WooCommerce part is here, products and appearance, and the slider evaluation part is for handling the hero image, just in case if it has been used in the layout that you are using. So the slider evolution is not being used. Okay, for my demo. And now if we talk about all the demo content, so I only shown you one. So you can simply select your demo website. Like this is, if it is a digital meetup, I have all the pages. I have all the home pages already here with me with the installation, and we can simply go for editing all the contents at the homepage that we are selected. Not only homepage, all the pages. So this is the layout for digital meetup, and we can go to the respective section like using navigator, or you can directly jump into the section. What you have to keep in mind, you have to use the same dimension of images or same length of text content that has been used in the demo, and you have to edit all the contents very wisely and carefully, and you will be able to maintain all these things. So as I said, we are available at every part. Once you join the iCreate program to complete your website, so you have to join the iCreate program after buying the theme at Invite Market, and we can help you in completing your website. However, it is very easy to use interface. Elementor is a very easy to use tool for handling the page content. So you can do it all these things at your own. So might be images, maybe an issue where we are going to help you. Okay, wonderful. So what you have to do, you have to buy the theme, install the theme as I shown you by following the same steps as I shown you. Complete your website, select your home page, and complete your website by putting all the contents. Either you can select the multi-page or one-page demo as per your requirement. I believe this video remained helpful in understanding the installation process and the features of Evenio WordPress theme for event and conferencing website. In the next video, I'm coming with more resources for your WordPress website. Till then, keep watching, keep building. Thank you.